Hello, I'm Sean Lutley, an instructional designer for Quest Software, and I'm here to welcome you to the Troubleshooting with Support Portal video demonstration. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to support.quest.com. That's going to take you to the landing page, and from here you have access to many different resources. First, you have the knowledge base, and that's what we're really going to focus on in this video. You have the forums where you can go and see what everybody's talking about and help us solve some issues that might not be in the knowledge base. There's a download software link that gives you access to the latest software, patches, new builds, and such. There's also a link to our video tutorials library, which has videos that can help you install the product, configure it. Then there's the contact support link. This is if you're having some issues that you can't figure out after searching the knowledge base, you can actually contact support and open up a new support case. You can also manage your licenses and services, so you can get a new license or your existing license. And if you want new services, you can go there also. Here you can manage your accounts, so you can look at if you have an open support case, what products you have, licenses for, and etc. You also have the technical documentation link that gives you the guides, manuals, release notes, and such. Then you have our consulting services if you wanted a professional to help you install and configure the product. And last but not least, then there's also our educational services, where there's some courses that you can take on certain products to help you learn the products better. If you don't already have a support account, you're going to need to create one. To do so, just click on the little person and select Create Support Account. Then you need to enter your license number, serial number, or asset number, and then fill out all your contact information. If you don't know how to find your license number, serial number, or asset number, click on the link that says How to Find Your Asset Number. This page gives you details on how to find the information that you need. Your license information comes in an email like the one on this page. There's also a link, Don't Know Your License or Account Number. Here you can fill out the form, which will contact us, and then someone from Quest will get back to you with the information you need to create a support account. Just make sure you fill out everything to the best of your abilities. Check off I'm not a robot. When you submit the request, somebody will get back to you. So now you got to get yourself signed into the support portal. I'm a Quest employee. It will redirect me to sign up with Microsoft Azure, but if you're a customer or a partner, you'll be able to sign in with your information you got when you signed up for support. First, we're going to start off with the knowledge base. This has most of the resources that you're going to need to troubleshoot your issues. On the left-hand side, you can also see it has links just like the landing page to all the major features that you want to access. I'm going to run a product search for Recovery Manager for Active Directory Forest Edition. It's a more mature product, so it'll give us a more wide range of knowledge base articles or solutions. On the left-hand side, you can filter by different categories, product versions, topics, subtopics, and such, just to narrow down your search a little bit more. I'm going to paste in a common error that I copied, so we can do a quick search on this and see what comes up in the knowledge base articles. As you can see, it comes up with the exact error in the title, so chances are that's going to be a good solution. Here you can see it gives you the title, the description of the issue, what the cause of the issue was, and then of course the resolution of the issue on how to actually fix it. Then at the bottom it gives you some additional information and the actual defect ID. So it was a defect of the product. In the future, what you can do is you can take this defect ID and then search for it in the newest version of the release notes, and then it will tell you if it's been actually fixed or not. And then on the left hand side you can actually see what versions of the product it affects, so you'll know if it's fixed or not in a newer version. So I'm just going to go back a couple pages. Now let's take a look at the self-service tools, a little bit more of them. Let's go down to software downloads. Here you can see that we have the latest product version selected, and then you can see the last one that was released was an actual full maintenance release, and then you also have the general availability release, which was released a few months before. So from here you can just click download, it'll verify it, you just need to accept the terms and conditions and continue, and then it will go ahead and download the package in a zip file, which you can then either install or perform an upgrade with. As you can see in the bottom right hand corner, there's the Chat Now with Support. This is for basic questions, low level type of issues. If you have any complex issues, things that you can't find in the knowledge base for solutions, it's recommended to open a support case. Next, let's take a look at the technical documentation self-service tool. So this is an important one. It gives you the release notes and it tells you what version of the release notes is the latest will pop up. You can go to the filters up top and change your versions. It gives you the quick start guide to get going. Then there's the actual deployment guide, which helps you get it installed and running in your environment. And then last but not least is the user guide, and this one gives you all the additional information you need to get things up and running in your environment. So if you click on a link, it'll actually bring it up in a web browser, and then you can guide through this way. Or if you go back, click on the view PDF, it'll actually download and open the PDF. You can see down here, you can open it or save it, and then save it. It will open in your default PDF reader. Let's go back and take a look at the My Account link. As you can see on the left-hand side under My Account, it gives you access to My Groups, which shows this page here, your licensing assets, your products that you have, your profile, your service requests, which are your open support cases, and your warranty assets. It's best to go in and take a look at all these links and see what everything does and what everything offers. If I was to go through each one of those, it would add about 10 minutes onto the video. Then there's the user's forums. This is a good place to go and ask questions and see what people are talking about. Next, let's take a look at technical support and show you how to open up a support case. So first thing you're going to want to do is select your product that you're having the issue with. If you're having a business critical issue, you can see in the middle here that it must be opened by calling in to open a support case. So you can just click on the Learn More link, and that'll give you how to call support. Select the version of the product that you're running. I'm going to select the latest one. Just make sure your account ID is correct. Click Next to continue. First, put in a title, so it's a brief summary statement of the error or symptom. Then you're going to put in the technical description for a support engineer, exactly what is going on and the error. Then it's always a good thing to attach any relevant log files, screenshots, diagnostic information, and such. Then you're going to pick the severity level based on the impact of the issue on your business. Like I stated before, if it's level 1, you need to call support. Then you're going to enter your environmental details like client, server, database, application, and module. And then you're going to pick your preferred contact method. It's going to be either by email or by phone. Then just click Submit Request and someone will get back to you from support in a timely fashion. And that concludes this video demonstration. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and there'll be many more to come. To learn more about Recovery Manager, visit us online.